let's install Ruby. The platform for me is Linux Ubuntu, but Ruby is available on all platforms. It comes with Macs by default, so you don't need to worry about that if you're on a Mac. But if you're on Ubuntu, we can start with this. It's very simple. You just go to the ruby-lang.org site. Here's the command to install it. Sudo apt-get install ruby-full. And you can see right here, we can enter the command. And it will prompt you, do you want to continue? And if I did want to install this particular one, I would hit the Y for yes. In this case, I'll just hit N for no. But we can check to see if Ruby is correctly installed on any system. Just go to your terminal and hit IRB. And this is a Ruby REPL read, evaluate, print loop. You just enter Ruby commands like 2 + 2. Hit enter and it runs it. As you can see, that's 4 right there. So this is how we check to see if Ruby is correctly installed. And it is, in fact, installed on this machine. So that would be how you would do it on Ubuntu Linux. It's right here, the sudo apt-get install ruby-full. Now, for Windows, we go to rubyinstaller.org. This is the absolute simplest way to install Ruby on Windows. You would choose your release. In this case, you would just hit the big download button. It would show you which environment you would probably check to see if you're on a 64-bit or whatever system, and it would get you the correct binary for that. But if you're on Windows, just follow the instructions on this rubyinstaller.org site. It's very simple to install. And you can do the same check with the terminal. Open up your terminal on whatever platform you're on, and once you've installed it, you hit IRB to check to see if you're in fact running, if you've got the Ruby fully installed. We can also run a script. So for example, let's exit our IRB, and to run a script, you hit Ruby, then you drag the script like this. This is a Ruby script. It's just a script for another course. Data-scraper.irb, that's .rb, that's the name of the file. So here's the file. And we just hit Ruby, and then the name of the file, and then hit enter, and it does all this stuff. In this case, it was downloading a bunch of books from Wikipedia. So that's how you run a Ruby file. Just Ruby, and then the name of the file. The whole file path right there. So try it out, and that'll get you up and running with Ruby really fast.